What's up? We are going to start our Christmas baking. We're gonna start with Buckeyes. This is like one of the most requested recipes in our house. The easiest way to measure is if you're measuring something in grams, instead of putting peanut butter into a measuring cup, start it at 0 and take out 356 grams, or it's a cup and a half. This is our favorite recipe. 1 stick softened butter, 356 grams of peanut butter, or a cup and a half. So it's gonna be about everything left in here. Hold on, nope, we're gonna first cream these two together. What you do is you cream these two together, then you're gonna add powdered sugar, 3 cups powdered sugar. Ooh, exactly. Oh wait, hold on, not yet. We also have to add our vanilla. 1 teaspoon vanilla. These are Wyatt's favorite thing ever. That's about a teaspoon. Let's cream all this together on here, and then we're gonna add that, buddy.
Hey, how did
It's gonna go.
How did I do that?
Whoa, look how yummy that looks.
What is it called again?
It's called Buckeyes.
I like Buckeye.
Now we gotta add.
I smell something delicious.
You smell something delicious? I think it's these.
Can I try one little whip?
You can like this thing. And
Just one little.
put your finger and just do one little wick. No, with your finger.
No!
Here, then do this. Use a spoon. Yummy? Yummy, yummy. We're adding 3 cups. Let's add some to this side too. Whoa, now we are going to mix this. And you wanna start this one on slow, you guys, because it's gonna make a mess if you don't. And then we have to roll them into balls. Whoa, this looks really yummy.
It sure does.
It's Wyatt's favorite food
What
in the whole
is
world.
this now?
They're called Buckeyes.
What's this one called?
Well, the finished product is gonna be called a Buckeye.
Can we make gingerbread?
More gingerbread. Maybe we can. Skid loves making his gingerbreads.
I wish I could do that.
Here's how we roll this into a ball. We're gonna grab like this much. We don't want big balls. We just want them to look like this. Like, this is amazing. So we're gonna roll these. We're gonna melt some chocolate and we're gonna dip.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can. Watch.
I can't see.
Well, do you want me to roll and you set them out on the tray?
Oh, yeah.
That's a good idea. Then we could be like a team. Okay, I'll roll and you have to spread them out.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine right here.
Okay, we're at 3.
4.
That's how many Kopi is.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're at 5.
Like Benjamin.
Benjamin.
6. Carson. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My best friend Carson.
We love Carson.
6.
I rolled out, I ended up doing another batch, rolled them all out. I'm gonna melt the chocolate again. Or not again, but I'm gonna melt the chocolate. I use almond bark. You guys can use whatever you want. I broke it up in little pieces. I'm gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna throw it in the microwave, mix, throw it back in the microwave. And then once you get this melted, you're gonna pull your peanut butter balls out of the freezer. So I threw them in the freezer. We're gonna pull them out and then we're gonna come dip, put them back on the parchment paper, and they're done. It's all melted. The chocolate's all melted, which is exactly what you want. I did 2 minutes in the microwave, and I can't find toothpicks. Usually you'd want to find toothpicks. I'm gonna use these umbrellas, but you're gonna grab one of these. You're gonna dip it in the chocolate. I will, and then you're just gonna set it on the parchment paper. And these look like Buckeyes. That's why we call them Buckeyes in Ohio. A lot of places you guys probably hear them called peanut butter balls. They are so freaking delicious. If you haven't had them, you have to give them a go. They're really easy to make. 5 ingredients, and it doesn't take long. So I'm gonna dip these and throw them in the fridge. And we have one of our baked goods done for the holiday. You can help mommy. You're gonna have to go really fast because you wanna go before the chocolate melts, or the chocolate starts getting hard. Here's yours. Oops, here, let me help you. Good job, buddy. Looks pretty yummy.
I can't do it.
Here, I can help. Here, you get the next one ready.
I like holding them.
You like holding them?